Homebodies, we are out.
That's so chef. Watch me shine. Walking by faith one day at a time. That's so chef. Living with purpose. God's timing always working for us. From the highs to the lows, still the light in me glows. That's so chef. Can't you see? I'm becoming who I'm destined to be.
Homebodies, we are out. We're outside. We're outside. We're outside.
Can you guys make a drink order?
2 princess. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers. I still can't believe that we're here. I still can't believe that we're here. Like, I think here looking at our dream, the overwater bungalow. One day.
I'll be escorting you to your suite.
We'll leave them to the
So, right here in the lobby we have the Jacana, which is the marijuana dispensary. And we also have the food market inside of the buffet as well. And the food market is the buffet. And above the buffet on the second floor we have a total of 9 restaurants and 4 bars. And of those 9 restaurants, only one requires a reservation and it's a bar. Everything else just walk in between the hours of 6 to 9:30. We offer 24-hour call car service, so these shuttles take you anytime and anywhere on property you want to go. Only thing required to get one of them is by dialing 0 on the telephone and requesting a pickup, and we'll most definitely come get you. But depending on the volume of guests requesting a golf cart, it may take a time, but momentarily we'll be there for you. Your package also allows you to go to the family side, doesn't restrict you to this side only. Does this look like your suite number?
Yeah.
So you're gonna press and hold your key until it flashes green.
Oh, this is the key.
Yeah.
Your wristband.
Yeah, I assume so.
Oh.
You want me to try?
Yeah, try yours. So they never programmed the key properly.
2104?
Yes.
So what we're gonna have to do, go back?
Bell services? No man, I'm here. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
Census front desk, come in. My name is Orish. I'm gonna come inside. I'm gonna give you an orientation, a tour of your suite. May I enter?
Sure.
Awesome. Welcome to Suite 2104. And if you've noticed, I have never used the word room. I've kept on saying suite. It's way more spacious and luxurious to be called a room.
Exactly.
And this suite is very interesting.
Very.
Yeah, man. So these suites are on the O Club. They are called the Romance Suites or Couples or the Pleasure Suites. So on the balcony, I want to show you what the O Club members get exclusively after the hours. So on your balcony, you have a built-in hot tub or a jacuzzi, and you have a swim-up seat with this room. Swim-up. The swim-up is for 24 hours, while the pool, the public pool for everyone else, closes down at the hours of 6. So when everyone gonna be jealous when they see you in your suite, so This beach area, if you notice, there has a lot of landscaping. We Jamaican like to call it bush. That keep this area concealed. That's what the Oak Club members have their private beach area, and the females are allowed to go topless outside here. So if you see any females outside topless embracing themselves, is what their package includes, okay?
Nice.
Yeah, man. So back on the inside, I want to show you something as well. Remember how I mentioned to you that we have shuttles that run for 24 hours, and the only procedure required to get one is by dialing 0 on the telephone. Well, that telephone is located in between the bed and the couch, alongside the television remote and the air conditioner switch. The last part of the orientation is going to be this kit and the bed. Alright, so over here we have a makeup / beauty station. I know you're going to be interested in this area tomorrow. And beneath it you have your hair dryer. Right here you have your ice bucket, and that's your coffee station. The ice machine is right down the corridor to your left. This is your safe. It uses a 4-digit combination. You hit number sign to solidify the code. Right here is the mini bar. You get to restock once every day for no additional cost. All the items are already paid for in the package you have. So feel free to use the items. Right here is your unique shower area. We have the throne room right here as we jump There's a telephone inside in case of any emergency.
Wow. Okay.
This now, very important, is your do not disturb sign. If this sign is done, the red light, at the pleasure suite, no one, most definitely not.
Can I enter?
No, they're not even gonna look.
No,
They're like a ghost. The green light indicates you're requesting for service. So once it is on, they will come to restock the mini bar, clean the suite, and everything will be provided, like restock for you. Last but not least, these beds in these suites are exclusive because they are circular beds, while every other bed in the suite are rectangular or square. And above it, you have your mirror for your own personal usage. I am not gonna say why. No, I'm keeping it strictly professional. Yes, the last part of the orientation is this kit. And I always like when the gentlemen open it, you know?
Go ahead and open
Yeah, man, go ahead and open it, chief. Alright, so inside,
What is that?
we have items inside to
Items.
stimulate
Items.
Okay,
romance. There's
gotcha.
adult toys in it, etc. like vibrators are inside, lubrication, everything.
Gotcha.
Alright, so that concludes the orientation. Is there any questions or inquiries for me before I go?
No, that's it.
Alright, my name is Oriya.
Will this work?
So what I'm gonna say to you is if you want to get settled in and when you're ready, you're going back to the lobby for dinner or anything, they can reprogram the keys for you, or if you want to do it now, they can do it now.
So just call them and
Just dial 0 on the telephone and the golf cart will come pick you up right where we left you.
Okay. Alright guys, this is a fit for the night. And it's hubby's fit. Oh boy. So we are heading out for dinner now. Probably later when I come back in, I'm gonna probably try and rod my hair because I think it's falling quickly. It's for cool mode anyway, no. For give it like a curly, but we'll do that tomorrow. Ready, Daddy? And then after Cocoa Palm.
I'm on vacation. I walk.
You say walk too much.
I'm just rich. Alright, so you forget 20,000 here? Yeah.
I don't even know. We had to leave from the Mexican restaurant and come on buffet because nothing tasted good. Absolutely nothing tasted good off of the Mexican restaurant. So now we're here.
Safest choice.
I would literally just like I said, the safest choice right now. Tonight is seafood night. in the buffet. So there's literally like almost nothing. I don't like anything that I see. So fruit me.
Yeah, French vanilla? I'll take one of that.
I'll take the French vanilla as well. The sandwich over there, is it able to warm? We have a ham sandwich. It's officially my birthday! It is 12 o'clock on the dot. It is 12 o'clock on the dot. It is 12 o'clock. It's my birthday. We are going to get something to eat. It is 1 o'clock, 1:55 in the morning. We're gonna get something to eat because we did not enjoy the food at all. We didn't enjoy the food. So we're gonna go to the sports bar that they have here, get some burgers and fries or something, because I have a slight migraine, and my migraine is because I'm hungry. Okay, I was trying to hold it, but I may not carry you guys along because my camera needs to charge. I want, even during this trip, I want to kind of step away from the camera a little bit and enjoy the moments because I don't have it for long. So I want to enjoy as much as possible with my husband and just relax before I get back home to my kids, get back home to my regular, get back to work. I want to enjoy this trip as much as possible. I just threw on something different because it's the birthday.
Very birthday girl. Very birthday girl.
A very birthday girlish. Oh look, my cake somewhat matches me.
It does.
And the cake matches me.
You're beautiful as flowers.
Oh, thanks, baby. Okay, I forgot to show you my cake. As per usual, the only person who makes my cake, her name is Brit J Cakes. You can find her on Instagram. So she made my cake. I didn't have a theme for the birthday, but I saw this and I liked it, so I went with it. I didn't have a theme for the birthday. As you can see, nothing is like on theme. It's just like, it was cute, I like it, let's do it. Yeah. Good morning, it's the day of the birthday. We not too long woke up and we are rushing to breakfast. Breakfast finishes at 11 o'clock on the dot and we are scrambling for breakfast. So yeah. Lazy. Guys, listen. I didn't come to this restaurant. I didn't come to this hotel with any mindset of doing any review, but I'm not gonna necessarily, I'm gonna give you guys a review, but I'm gonna give you guys like things that I'm learning being here, so that if you guys are coming here, you guys have an idea of what to expect when you come here. Like, something happened just a while ago that we're just like, we're dumbfounded. Like, we're like, what? Say what? Who told us that? No one told us that. So how are we gonna know that? Listen, we made a decision that we're not going to let anything or anyone ruin this trip and this birthday. We're just going to enjoy ourselves and enjoy it to the fullest, because money was already spent and it can't be taken back. So we're just gonna enjoy it. We went on the road, came back, and we're just chilling, and I wanted to show you guys my swimsuit. bear in mind everything is from Shein. Hopefully I remember to put the codes on the screen. Okay, let me show you guys. Is it giving birthday? Is it giving birthday? As you guys know, in all things I try my best to be as modest as possible, but you know, when you have a husband, yeah, you gotta show a little something here and there. I don't want my hair to wet up. All right, that's how wet milk. It's been a very gloomy day. It's been very, very gloomy, but a beautiful day nonetheless. Beautiful, beautiful day nonetheless. So we're probably gonna be in the jacuzzi a little bit. My husband says things really start tomorrow because it's Sunday, so you know, we're just relaxing. But otherwise from that, tomorrow he says that we'll probably start doing some stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. Hobby is playing video games. Hibachi dinner reservation is at 7:10. It is now 5:49. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup from now because I'm still learning, I'm still new, and I want to make sure that I get it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my skincare now and start all of my makeup stuff no at 5:49 because my appointment is 7 o'clock. So let's go. It as much.
So nice, man. This was a darker blush I put on.
It's a light blush, but I guess I didn't put on like a whole lot.
No, man, it's fine. It's fine because it gives a cool kind of look where you look for right now.
Oh yeah. A matte lip you want?
Yeah, but may I try find my lip gloss? Baby, you know what my lip gloss is?
Everybody want to take a picture. I'm like, oh my god, it's the celebrity.
And the extra end of the camera, I don't even know.
Everybody was like, oh my god, is that so chef? Oh my god. She's like, hey guys, hey.
Today has been, I don't know why, but today has been an emotional day for me. Like I've been in and out crying, and
Why?
I guess it's just like it's a good emotional, not a bad emotional.
Well, you just want to make it where you are right now, and that you're 33.
Yeah.
The dress is giving you 30 and flirty. Yeah,
The dress is giving
and you're looking like
the dress is giving senorita.
No, not a million, a billion. $1 trillion.
At the right.
Trillion. Like a money wife. But there. Yeah, man. So you're emotional because you've made it thus far, and where you are, and you know, thoughts that you used to think.
because it looked like they were just about to start, so we made it just in time.
So when I'm starting my show, I like to start it with a bang. You understand? So I like to be like the roof. The roof is on fire. We don't need no water later. Burn, burn, water. It's getting hot in here. Very hot. So take up on very hot.
Very hot.
Getting so hot, I'm gonna take my shirt off.
No, keep it on.
So if you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, I'm really, really sure. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Dun, dun, dun.
If you're hungry and you know, say yeah man. If you're hungry and you know, say yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I was just wondering what happened. I didn't hear any yeah man. So I guess some of y'all ain't hungry.
Yo, man.
Oh, so if you're hungry and you know, say yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Okay, I heard you all now. So before I start cooking, I would like to know if there is any allergies on this table.
No.
So if I say I love the girl, yeah.
I like to party.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yeah. Chaboya. Chaboya. Roll call.
My name's Janisa.
Yeah.
I'm from Atlanta.
Yeah.
I like to twerk.
Chaboya. Chaboya. Roll call.
My name is Chevelle.
Yeah.
I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah.
I like to vlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Chaboya.
Roll call.
Chaboya. Roll call.
My name is Sean.
Yeah.
I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah.
I like to eat food.
Chaboya. Chaboya. Roll call.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
One time for the birthday girl. Two times for the birthday girl. For the birthday girl. Happy birthday, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
1 year, 1 day.
Yeah.
One of mine.
Big thanks for life. Next year we do it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Want to use my iPhone? Oh, let's go.
The record?
Yeah, my iPhone me.
Wait until I come.
Oh, that! Who is that?
Next year we do it again.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
My friend. One more year, but then
Yeah.
one more life.
Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, they don't even cry in the air.
The cake, they look fabulous. I wish you get cake.
You know, sharing it.
What do you think?
Come, let's sing now. Happy birthday
Birthday.
to you.
Cha, cha, cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chevelle. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
We don't want the good Lord to bless you.
Oh, may the good Lord bless you.
No.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Ready? Are you one?
Hey, that's too much. That's too much.
Alright, come.
That's a whole lot of counting.
I'm gonna start from 21 and up.
Yeah.
Are you 28?
25,
No.
Are you 30?
No.
29. Are you 30?
No.
Are you 31?
No.
Are you 32?
Almost there.
Are you 33?
Ding, 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 ding.
Happy birthday, you may blow out your cake, make a wish.
Woo!
Alright, cut your cake now. Yeah.
I think I wish not mine, I can't hear it. Hooray!
Yay.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Wait, shake it up or you open it?
No man, they must have so much party or something.
Them not have nothing. Wait.
Come over here, say, what you mean you have to get wet up?
No!
Yeah, we have to get wet up.
You can't wet me
You have
up.
to get wet up, man. Come. I bust a buckle and moscato.
Not here.
Hey,
You have to get wet up, man.
Here. No, it's here.
Ready?
Come on.
Happy birthday, love.
Something, Mom.
Hey! Oh my gosh!
It's not your birthday if you don't get wet up, baby. Yeah, man. Happy birthday, baby.
Something.
Make sure you want to step on the flag.
Yeah, man. Happy birthday.
Oh my goodness. Alright, no.
Happy birthday, baby.
Come on, no way I wet me up for cheese.
Come up your mouth. Yeah, man. You that. You see Jamila AJ? She's something. Happy birthday.
Hey, look how you put me up.
What you mean your birthday? Oh, wait to put a nice big bottle of champagne. What you mean?
We are on our way to one of the beaches somewhere in the grill. We've been inside and enjoying just staying still, but no, we decided, alright, let's come out. We were supposed to go Jam West today, to go do some activities and everything, but we rescheduled to do that tomorrow. We were too tired this morning. We just wanted to rest. But yeah, it's been a really quiet, relaxing vacation. And we have one more full day tomorrow, and then Thursday so today's Tuesday. So yeah.
Boyfriend or girlfriend, that's the hideaway spot today. Hey, we got this inside, the Prince Road right beside it. We can't miss it. And remember all over there, we have the western side of the grill. And all these beautiful
Nice.
Alright, what's the movie star?
Yeah, DJ.
Bad. You can get an extra muse. 300. It's the same thing like this though.
I would wait on Black Friday. But you don't think like the orange brings out the woman.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad I tell you first. So I'm glad I tell you first. You don't believe him first though, but yeah.
No, that's not true.
Uh-huh.
I always believe. And as for always telling you, my husband.
So that's the excuse for not believing me. Thanks for
I
letting
never
me
said
know.
I don't believe you. I said you're my husband. So at the end of the day, it's like,
Oh, allow me to tell.
No, you're gonna say that.
No, but I try to trick me. Not know you're saying I really register right now.
Okay, I'll get to see you next. Night.
Thank you.
Maybe later on I can join you.
Blessings.
Alright, so as you go ahead and get seated, I will leave you the menu so you can have a look. The man is going to be your server and he will be here in a moment to assist you, alright? Okay, no problem.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another day in the vloggy vlog and our final day here at this Grand. That's what I plan to do, my love. I haven't really been showing you guys the scenery. So for the trip here, I don't really think we'll talk too much. I don't think so. Or show you guys much. I think I said this already. I'm living in the moment with my husband. But anyways, today we are going to. Oh, we're going to be at Jamwest. We're going to Jamwest. So we're going to Jamwest Adventure Park. So today we're going to be doing ATVs.
Jamwest some days.
Oh, we went on Jamwest boat yesterday. Boat ride yesterday. So today we're gonna do ATV, zip line, all horseback riding, all those fun stuff. Now I may not get to carry you guys because my camera is not waterproof. So if anything, I'm probably vlogging on my phone. So if the quality shifts from here, It's because I'm vlogging on my phone. I am not risking $100,000 camera. Guys, Google carry run a one part, far run a one way. Have no
Hello,
idea.
good morning. Is this the road? Hello? Morning, is this the road?
Ask her where.
Where exactly? Could you WhatsApp me at your location? Alright, do that for me, please. Thank you.
Alright guys, so I definitely can't carry you guys with me. So yeah, just know that we experienced it. We have been back for a little minute, but we've just been soaking in the water because today is our last full day here at the resort, and as you guys saw, we went to Jam West. Guys, I'm so mad I couldn't take you guys with me. I'm so mad I couldn't take you guys with me. The horseback riding, scary but fun. Okay, scary but fun. Zip line, we did about 7 zip lines. Thrilling. I'm always up for a zip line, but ATV, I could have taken you guys on ATV, but we didn't know that until we reached on ATV, because we did 2-passenger ATV, so where I sat next to my husband. Yeah, I could have carried you guys and I could have taken you guys along for that journey. I think that would have made the vlog so much more interesting. I feel like I haven't shown you guys anything. I feel like nothing's going on. I just feel like it's like one of those regular resort vlogs, and I don't like that. I really wanted, yeah, but anyways, I lived in the moments, but I did miss you guys. I lived in the moment, but I missed you guys. And even we always gotta big up the Danina, because if it wasn't for him, the birthday wouldn't have been happening. So I always gotta big up the Dan. Big him up every day, all day, right? Yeah, big up one hubby on the block. Hey. Yeah, we're good. What, my camera?
Active one, let me have fixed rotation.
But my rotation kind of messed up, so I just use it without. I know me. Guys, I gotta get rid of this.
Take a glass of food, girl.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is checkout day. We got up from morning, took up everything that we need to take up for ourselves that we carried here. We didn't take any other people and things. Carried stuff, put in the car, put the garbage and all the towels and everything that's dirty together, so that way, make the cleaner's life a little bit more easier. Yeah, we have until 12 o'clock to check out. Now is 11 o'clock on the dot. So we're just enjoying the room a little bit more. I truly did enjoy my vacation. I felt like we needed more rest. I felt like we should have slept a lot more, but if you sleep, how do you enjoy, right? There's a time to sleep, there's a time to enjoy, there's a time for everything. So we did a mix. We slept, we enjoyed, we did, okay? Yeah. But I will say overall, I do like the aesthetics of the hotel. I love the lighting of the hotel. I love all of the beach. I will give you guys a different video in terms of like the hotel itself. If you want that kind of video, comment down below in the comment section and let me know. Alright? One thing I will say, that if you're going to get a hotel, And the hotel has a swim out. Get a swim out. Get a swim out, okay? Because it makes sense. Sometimes you don't want to be around people and you just want to enjoy each other's vibe. That's what my husband and I did. We enjoyed each other's vibe. We carried our Bluetooth speakers. We carried our vibe. We have not been to the main pools or anything. We just had food and stuff like that. We didn't even go to like their entertainments. That I will say I kind of regret that we didn't go to like their entertainments. But either we were resting and we didn't want to do too much. Like when I say to you guys that this whole trip was like a resting trip, it was a resting trip. We did not kill up ourselves about anything. I can't believe we're going home. 6 days came so fast, so fast. Like I understand why when people from overseas travel, they stay like a week or 2 weeks. But anyways guys, may I blab too much. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you guys so much for the love. Thank you guys so much, so much for tuning into my vlogs. When I say I appreciate you guys so much, I appreciate you guys so much. There are so many times that I want to give up. There are so many times that I don't want to do this vlogging thing anymore, but you guys keep me going. My little community, you keep me going. This birthday was really an emotional birthday for me because seeing everything that I've been through in life and where I am now, like where I am now, I never saw myself where I am doing the things that I'm doing now. I never saw myself doing these things. Like I only hoped to do it, I only dreamed of doing it, but I never actually did it. Like never thought that, you know, it was possible or it would ever happen to me. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
That's so chef. Purpose of oppression.